Let nature help you pick your color combinations. Use color schemes found in nature. Find a pretty picture of a flower, perhaps, or something that you're really enjoying. The circles show you where the colors were selected to get the 5 colors at the top that can be used in. Select color combinations from nature. An easy way to select colors for 2, 3, or 4 color designs you have on your stitch pattern design for your knitting machine is to look at nature, find something that appeals to you, take a picture, and select colors from that picture. Then decide where you want the color of that stitch pattern, or in that stitch pattern. Explore the colors in different combinations to see which colors give you the results you want for your finished knit. My knitting machine uses eyelets to hold the yarn, so I would rotate the colors through the 4 eyelets to see the position I wanted the color in. When I was designing and selling to stores, I would knit part of the garment in one set of colors, change the eyelet position, and knit accent pieces in the same colors with the yarn in different sets of eyelets. The finished knits were spectacular, and the store loved them, and so did the customer.